Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you've been following me for a while, you know I've been on a no-buy for fountain pens for 6 months, and I've been really trying to stick to it. And then World Stationery Day came along. So there was a sale going on Pen Chalet, plus they had like another 10 or 15% off for World Stationery Day. I forget what it was. So I got a discount on this pen. So good. I could not refuse it. And I've been wanting a Pelican for a while. It's one of the fountain pens. I do not own any by this manufacturer. So I had actually planned on going to the New York Pen Show this year, but they didn't hold it. And everybody else is getting their pen shows, but New York, no. But that's another story. I digress. So I decided it's good a day as any to break my ban, right? So, and actually I have another pen coming this week, but it's a pen for Mother's Day and it's a gift for my husband, so that doesn't count. Okay, now don't be disappointed because it's already been unboxed, unwrapped. I haven't filled it yet or done anything else with it, but I did untie the bow. So dramatic. And it's so much smaller than I thought it was going to be. I don't know what it is. I do this all the time when buying fountain pens. I don't know. They look bigger on camera. I love the ivory cap, the ivory and the pastel green. I grabbed my TWSBI Eco just to show you. It's not a stark white like the, what is this? The TWSBI Eco rose gold. It's not that like frosty white. It's more like a creamy ivory, and it just looks so pretty with the pastel green and the gold trim. I just love it. And this was what kind of grabbed me too, was the pen is actually transparent, but the weather's terrible here today, so I'm not getting great lighting. But if you can see, this kind of looks like abalone, or we have mussel shells here when we walk, when you walk on the beach here, all you see is mussel shells. And when they're turned upside down, you have that, the shimmer, it's not really a shimmer. It's sort of like this pearly look on the inside of the shells. I mean, it's not like abalone where it has all the different variations in color, but still it has that same sheen to it. And it's just sort of like, it just catches the light, sort of like a mirror. I don't know, it's really pretty. So, and what else? It has the gorgeous little Pelican clip, and there's the end cap with the Pelican and its little chickie. And it comes with a gold-plated steel nib, and I got that in a fine. And the other reason I loved this pen, oh, I can't cap it because then I can't show you. Even though you get this, brilliant color over here, it has a partial transparent window here, so it's like, you get the colored barrel, but you also get, a little bit of a demonstrator in the pen also. I just thought that was sort of neat. So, and it's a piston filled, and you can actually see, you can see the piston winding down in there. Okay, so I am going to fill this and I will be right back. Okay, I have two colors here. I couldn't decide on which one. I have a sample of Monteverde's key lime pie. Yes, I used a regular pen to write this with because I didn't feel like dipping and cleaning anything else right now. So I have that, or I have the Pilot Urishizuku Shinryoku. And I can't really decide. The only reason I don't want to go with the key lime pie is because this is a fine nib, so I'm not going to get a lot of color on the page, and I'm afraid it's going to show up too pale. Like I usually use this, or when I used it in a broad nib. So I don't know, it might be nice to have the contrast of the darker green. And then I could see that through the window. All right, it's just a little ink, right? I can always change it. I'm gonna go with the Pilot. I had a Pelikan dark green ink, but it's very, very dark, like a forest green. Hang on, I'm gonna try one more color. This is more Monteverde. You can see I have to buy a backup bottle of this. It's Monteverde's emerald green. This is my favorite color. All right, I'm gonna go with that one. I'll write this down. Okay, so let's get to filling this baby up. So it has a piston filler, so it's super easy. You just, oops, counterclockwise wind it down, and it draws the ink up. I have to move it back so I can see. Okay, here we go. Okay, I have a little ink cloth here from my friend Gail. This is my ink cloth. Okay, see? Let's see if I'm going to post this. Yeah, feels a little bit better posted. I have small hands, so I still can use it unposted, but for balance. Ooh, this is nice. Oh my gosh, this nib is so nice. I can't believe this is a fine nib. It's very smooth. I love this pen. I didn't know what to write. I'm so excited now. Okay. I see what all the fuss is about now. Holy cow. I can't think of anything to write, so I'm just gonna do, let's do a little this, little ABCs. I'm telling you. Okay. I'm in love. I have nothing else to say. I hope you like this review. This is a beautiful pen, and the nib is incredibly smooth, and oh my gosh, new favorite. So that's it. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Take care. Bye.